Ah, well, we were just talking about this yesterday at a meeting of the foundation that I'm associated with. The majority of the trainees are not going to end up in research. It's by definition. I mean, nowadays, trainee groups are 8 or 10 in a group per investigator. They turn over every 2 or 3 years. It's just not going to be enough money to train all those people. But I think there is a major source or need for scientifically trained people in all sorts of other professions, including the Congress. There are very few scientists in Congress. And our society is faced with major problems that require not only a scientific background, but a background that is used to taking data seriously. Okay? So scientifically trained people, physicists, chemists, biologists, not only for their specific discipline, but for the way they treat information, it's important. In tech transfer, in pharmaceutical industry, in legal matters, and so on. So I think there's a lot of opportunity for people who've had a good, solid training in research, but who won't necessarily have a research career. Some will. Some will feel that they need to make more money in order to pay off their debts. Some because they're interested in patent law or legal things and so on. The whole area of medical care, which is moving in very different directions. Whole ethical problems related to genetic information and so on. So there are people who are used to thinking about those things. There are lots of opportunities there. So I think the training is a great opportunity, but they won't necessarily all use that training for research.